Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your settings. Then what you'll have to do is to add a fingerprint. If you have no idea how you can add fingerprint on your device, you can find this video tutorial about how to do this on our channel, so go and watch it. Add fingerprint, then go back here, and to block apps with your fingerprint you have to go to the security section, then go to the app lock. Then you have to, for example, select app which you want to lock. For example, let's lock Google Chrome and maybe gallery. Then tap open the encryption. Then you have to set up password for your app lock. You can set digital password, pattern password, or complex password. I will set digital one, I guess. So here you have to enter your digital password, then you have to confirm it. And now you can enable this feature, use your fingerprint to open encrypted apps. And now I can't, for example, open Chrome without entering this password or without my fingerprint. So after I lock the phone, the app is locked too, and I can now open it with my fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.